Today we are going to discuss round-robin algorithm and write a load balancer for a cluster of servers. First, let's create a diagram to visualize what exactly we're trying to do. So we have a cluster of 4 servers, some requests that are waiting to be processed, and a load balancer that we're gonna design. So we assume that all the servers are available. Each request has an arrival time and a burst time. So we will take the first request and assign it to the first available server. Add this bar to mark the server as busy. Take the next request and assign it to the next available server, that is server number 2. Take the next one and assign it to the next available server, that is server number 3. Its arrival time is 5. It's gonna take 5 seconds to be processed, so the server number 3 will be busy 5 seconds. Take the next request, assign it to the last available server, server number 4. Again, the request arrived at 5. So now all the servers are busy. So what will happen when the next request gonna come? So just to follow the problem requirements, we gonna ignore or skip this request. In real life, this request is saved in a queue, and once there is one available server, the request will be picked up. Okay, so there is one more request in the queue, arrived at point 8. We will assign it to server 4 as this server is free now at point 8 in time. This is how round-robin algorithm assigning the request to servers in a circular order. Okay, so now let's code this solution. First, we will create a class that will represent our request. The request will have two properties, arrival time and burst time. We are doing this so we can sort the request based on arrival time. Let's create an array of requests, add the values in the array, and sort the array based on arrival time. Let's use a tree set to keep track of available servers. We'll use a minimum priority queue to keep track of busy servers, and release them based on time to process a request. Also, we need an array list to hold the order the servers are picking up the requests. Now, let's loop through the requests. We need the process time of the request and the server that will process the request. We'll pick up a server using the modulus operator. The try server variable can have the values between 0 and n-1. Next, we will check if the chosen server is available using the ceiling method of treeset class. It will return this server or one greater if exists, otherwise it will return null. If there is no such available server, we will take the lowest server in the set. We need to remove this from available servers and add it to busy servers. Also, we will add this to the result list. Next, we will try to release all busy servers based on the assigned time to process previous request. If it is less or equal to the current request arrival time, we will mark this server available. Okay, so if there are no available servers, we'll skip this request and return -1 for this request. Okay, let's return the array list and test the program. Okay, it seems like we don't have available servers. Maybe I didn't populate the tree set of available servers. Let's run again. It seems like we have good results. Thank you for watching. See you next time.